Sa MPBL, hindi tinantanan ng Basilan Peace Riders ang Mindoro Tamaraws. Sa isang intense na laban, nagtapos sa score na 84-77. Umida si Adrian Santos na nagpakawala ng 20 points. Talagang energy at hustle all game long. Kasama niya sa opensa ang dating PBA star at SMB Beerman guard na si Alex Cabagnot na halos mag-triple-double na. May 16 points, 10 assists at 9 rebounds. Isang rebound na lang, kumpleto na sana. Pero grabe pa rin ang impact niya sa laro. Hindi nagpapaawat ang Mindoro. Lumalaban hanggang dulo pero kinapos lang sa huli. Solid kasi ang chemistry ng Basilan kaya't sila ang nag-uwi ng panalo. E tara na, panoorin natin ang ilang highlights sa labang ito.
Because there are teams that had the easier end of their sketch also went through that. And pass the Comboy. Tibaya, daming ikot yun! Oh! The walk there. Jerby Cruz, Consi! Jerby down low, Adi Santos. Bam Gamalinda against Adi Santos.
Talagang makikita mo iba yung gigil ng Mindoro defensively.
Good catch, Adi Santos. Hindi lang natapos. Comboy leaking out. He is Tos. Adi finds Enzo na agaw. Counter steal. Poson Cabagnot. Cabagnot drives middle. Fires. Poson back to Jerby. To the corner. Cabagnot. Look away three.
Energy on both sides.
Jerby down low. Enzo is open. Manzo drives right at Pastoran and Jude Manzo. 3-point guard. Jerby Cruz for three. Ono swings it over to Cedo Rifa. And may bounce
from Raymar here in this MPBL season.
The decision of Raymar Caduya can 10 seconds in the shot clock. Cabagnot open. Yes. He's also the leading rebounder with 5. Leading assist guys with 6, and Jura
was on the floor. They did not set up Ken Bono a lot on the block.
It goes to Adi Santos. Now with Jerby Cruz. The turnaround shot from Jerby. 10-5-4 for Jerby Cruz. 10 points, 5 rebounds. And 4 assists. Asanak. Cabagnot. The look away. The reverse. Left-handed scoop won't go. Adi Santos wins the foot race. Basket. Runner from Jude Manzo won't go. Rebounding Cruz. Cabagnot finds him. And Carlo, what a pass. Cabagnot to Jerby Cruz. Cruz misses the three, but he gets his own miss.